Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. There are two air filters flanking the engine. Installation is the same for both sides. Disengage the fasteners. Pull the filter tray back, then slide up to remove the filter from the housing. Install your new AF4038 filter into the tray. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Slide the tray back into the housing. To be able to re-engage the fasteners, you have to push the tray forward. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.